Good day, family. Today we are making and sauce chicken. It's so delicious. Don't forget to subscribe, to like the video, and to leave a comment. We have our ingredients here. We have butter, we have chicken, we have garlic, onion, ginger, rosemary, bay leaves. As you can observe, whatever we have on the video. We have our chicken drumstick. We're gonna make some slits on the chicken, as you can see. Clean the chicken, we put in the bowl. This is a ginger. We just squeeze to obtain the juice. This is garlic. We put the garlic inside those opening we made. Then you will take the black pepper. Use the garlic and herb. You can also choose any of the spices you have or you want. Sure that the spices goes inside those opening. These are chicken spices. Also some salt if you want to, just for some taste, not too much, because you can see that there's a chicken drumstick, a big. That's why I'm adding salt. Normally I don't use salt when I'm cooking. We have lemon juice. Put on top. Just make sure that there's no seed inside. inside because it's bitter. If it falls inside, you remove. I use one whole lemon. This is our oil. The oil is hot. We start frying the chicken. It's ready here. You can see the color. It's well fried. It's a dull dish. Here we're done. We take now the pan, the frying pan, just with small, very small oil. We put our onion that we have diced. We fry it. The chicken are there. Just waiting for the onion, as you can see. When the onion is ready, we have wine, red wine here. I put sugar, 1 spoon of sugar, and then I put it inside the onion. And the small also tomato paste, same size with the sugar. We're using the teaspoon, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of tomato paste, just to thicken the sauce. And this is a beef stock we add. We leave it to boil. You know, it's reduced everything, no alcohol is inside. It's reduced everything. And then I put the bay leaves and the rosemary. I will cover until you can see the wine went down. You can see it's almost thick. And then I will add some butter. You can see it make it shine. And it add also some flavor. This recipe, you are bringing the restaurant in your house. You can see how it looks like. And then we take the chicken. We add the chicken on top. Sauce. Just try to turn it to take the sauce, put on top of the chicken to mix everything. You food is ready. You can dish. You can see how beautiful, so tasty and nice. Enjoy your food. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.